The sunlight in this living room is absolutely incredible.
I always thought this was the brightest spot in the building.
It makes the whole space feel much larger than the photos.
Pictures rarely capture the true atmosphere of a home.
I am Claire, and I am very happy to finally be here.
I am Tom, the person responsible for keeping this place tidy.
Have you lived in this neighborhood for a long time?
I grew up just 2 blocks away from this very street.
That gives me a lot of confidence in your local knowledge.
The park across the street is perfect for morning walks.
I can see people jogging and dogs playing from here.
It is a very quiet area despite being so close to center.
Quiet is exactly what a busy journalist like me needs.
Do you spend a lot of time writing at home?
Most of my articles are finished late at night at a desk.
The walls here are thick enough to block any street noise.
That is a relief because I need total silence to focus.
You are welcome to test the window seals if you like.
Wow, the silence is almost instant.
I replaced all the frames during the last summer renovation.
Everything looks so fresh and well maintained in this room.
I believe a house should be treated with constant care.
It is rare to find a landlord who pays such attention.
I want my tenants to feel like they truly belong here.
The wooden floor has a very beautiful and warm polish.
It is natural oak, so it stays warm even in winter.
I'm already imagining where my bookshelf will go.
There's a perfect empty wall right next to the fireplace.
Let's continue the tour and look at the rest.
Follow me toward the kitchen area in the next room.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.
This marble countertop is a dream for someone who cooks.
It is very durable and stays cool during the hot months.
I see the oven is a modern model with a timer.
It is energy efficient and very easy to keep clean.
Is the refrigerator included in the monthly rent price?
Yes, all the large appliances stay here for your use.
I appreciate not having to buy my own heavy equipment.
The dishwasher is hidden behind this wooden panel right here.
That is a very clever way to save some visual space.
I tried to make the kitchen as functional as possible.
The cupboards have a lot of storage for my tea collection.
There is even a small pantry closet behind a door.
This is perfect for all my supplies.
I checked all the pipes and faucets this morning, Claire.
The pressure seems very strong.
Hot water is available instantly thanks to the new boiler.
That will be wonderful for my long morning showers.
The boiler is located in the basement for safety reasons.
I like that it doesn't take up space in the bathroom.
I try to think about the small details of daily life.
Does the building have a recycling program for the residents?
We have separate bins in the backyard for glass and paper.
That is very important to me and my lifestyle choices.
We all try to do our part for the environment here.
The lighting under the cabinets is a very nice touch.
It helps when you are preparing a late-night snack.
You seem to have thought of every possible situation.
I just want to provide a place that I would love.
Shall we sit down and talk about the lease details?
The glass table in the corner is perfect for that.
I like to keep things simple and clear for everyone.
That is the best way to avoid any future misunderstandings.
The rent is due on the first day of every month.
I can set up an automatic bank transfer for you.
That would be very convenient for both of us, Claire.
Does the rent include the high-speed internet connection?
It is a separate bill, but the fiber optic is ready.
My work requires a very stable and fast connection.
The previous tenant was a programmer and never had issues.
What is the policy regarding guests staying over for weekends?
Occasional guests are fine as long as they are respectful.
I am not a fan of loud parties, so don't worry.
That is good to hear because the neighbors value peace.
Are there any specific rules about hanging pictures on walls?
Please use small hooks instead of large nails if possible.
I will be very careful with the beautiful paintwork.
If anything breaks, just send me a quick text message.
Do you handle the repairs yourself or call a professional?
I do the small things, but I have a trusted plumber.
It is good to know you are so easy to contact.
I live in the building next door, so I'm close.
That makes me feel much more secure in this building.
We have a no smoking policy inside the apartment, Claire.
I have never smoked in my life, so no problem.
Pets are allowed if they are quiet and well behaved.
I don't have a pet, but I might get a goldfish.
Goldfish are the perfect silent tenants for this place.
I have noted down all the main points here.
There is one more thing I want to show you outside.
I am curious to see what else this place offers.
I didn't realize there was a balcony behind these curtains.
It is a small space, but it faces the internal garden.
It is so quiet here that I can hear the birds.
The garden is shared with only 3 other apartments.
It looks like a secret oasis in the middle of the city.
Many tenants use this space to grow their own herbs.
I can see some lavender and rosemary in those pots.
Feel free to add your own plants to the collection.
This will be my favorite spot for drinking morning coffee.
The sun reaches this balcony around 10 in the morning.
That is the perfect time for a short riding break.
The railing is made of solid iron and is very safe.
I love the vintage look of the black metalwork.
It matches the history of this beautiful old building.
Is the garden open for residents during the nighttime?
Yes, but we ask everyone to keep the voices low.
It seems like a very respectful community of people.
We are very lucky to have such friendly neighbors here.
I'm feeling more and more like this is the one.
I had a feeling you would appreciate the garden view.
It adds so much value to a city apartment, Tom.
It is my favorite place to relax after a long day.
I'm ready to sign the papers if they are ready.
They are right there on the table in the kitchen.
Let's go back inside and make this official then.
I have the contract printed and ready for your signature.
I'm very excited to start this new chapter here.
I'm glad I found a tenant who loves the place.
It is hard not to love a home like this one.
Let's finish the paperwork so you can have the keys. Here is the silver pen. It always brings good luck.
I hope it brings me luck with my future articles.
Please read through the first 2 pages very carefully.
I am checking the dates for the move-in process.
You can start moving your furniture this coming Saturday.
That is perfect because I have a truck reserved then.
I will make sure the service elevator is available for you.
There is the first signature on the bottom.
And here is the second copy for your own records.
I will keep it in my professional leather notebook.
The deposit is already visible in my account, thank you.
I wanted to make sure everything was ready on my side.
You are a very organized person, which I really appreciate.
It comes with the job of being a curious journalist.
I am signing my part of the agreement right now.
Now we are officially tenant and landlord, I guess.
I prefer to think of us as good neighbors, Claire.
That sounds much more friendly and welcoming to me.
I will give you a list of local emergency numbers.
That is very helpful for someone new to the area.
It includes the nearest doctor and the 24-hour pharmacy.
You really provide a full service for your tenants.
I want you to feel safe and supported in your home.
I am very grateful for your kindness today, Tom.
It is easy to be kind when the tenant is so nice.
I will take very good care of this beautiful apartment.
I have no doubt about that after talking to you.
I think I am ready to take the keys and start.
They are right here in my pocket, waiting for you.
This is the most exciting part of the whole day.
This is the main key for the heavy front door.
It feels quite heavy and very solid in my hand.
The small silver one is for the mailbox in the lobby.
I will be expecting a lot of letters and magazines.
And this blue keychain holds the key to the garden.
The color matches your t-shirt perfectly, by the way.
I didn't even notice that until you said it.
It will be easy for me to find it in my bag.
Do you have any last questions before I leave you?
Where is the best place to get a coffee nearby?
The bakery on the corner has the best espresso in town.
I will definitely go there after I finish measuring rooms.
Tell them Tom sent you, and they might give a cookie.
I will use my new local influence already then.
I will be in the garden if you need anything else.
Thank you for the tour and for the smooth process.
Welcome to your new home, Claire. I hope you're happy.
I am already feeling very much at home right here.
I am leaving you to enjoy the view and the silence.
I will see you around the building very soon, Tom.
Have a great first evening in your new quiet space.
I'm going to open the windows and let the air in.
The evening breeze from the park is very refreshing.
Goodbye for now, and thank you again for the keys.
Goodbye, Claire, and good luck with your first night.